Hello everyone. So when I visited last time the doctor with my mother, they were asking for a bunch of reports from the previous time when we had, and we don't have it in handy. Is there somewhere in the email, WhatsApp, all of that? So that is when I realized that I can build an app with an experiment to see all these reports can be stored in one centralized place, right? So let me walk you through the demo. Right, so this is the app that I built. So you can see once the user logs in, it's an AI powered documents all the reports that you can upload in the past. All right, it does a trend analysis, how the reports are there, and then it gives a smart insights based on the reports that are there, and also it is also a doctor friendly, however it shows. So let me log into the application. Now so none of the reports that are there, so let me upload a files. This is where I can upload file that is already there in my phone. So during this phase it basically extracts the data, OCR extraction, and then the entire data, right? It sends it to LLM to identify, categorize each section, and then clearly shows which one is for what section. It also groups under the medical domain, right? I can save a preview of it. The records get saved. You can also take a photo of it, right? Some report that if that exists, you can take a report, and then it shows because always you don't have it in a phone, right? Sometimes you have a printout, you can scan it. So it actually shows if you look at the name, look seems to be little different, it is detecting, but I am continuing anyway, right? Both are same. So the patient mismatch, it's showing it's not actually the mismatch, right? That is the detection that I put. Save anyway the report, but profile patient name and track. If this is for someone else, will cancel, and then so I'm saving it anyway because it's the same, right? This looks fancy, so that the users can not make a mistakes. So if you look at it, has multiple reports. If you look at it, it shows the trends of the how the reports are there, right? So this is handy for the doctor when we show it. So it has all different kinds of sections. So it has, for example, the prescriptions. The user can upload the prescription, right? However it needs to be. And then it actually, one good thing is it gives a recommendation, right? AI insights based on this data goes to LLM and then tries to give what is the recommendation insights and all. So at the end you cannot trust LLMs for a health thing. It is just for a reference I built. At the end the doctor's call is the final one, right? So this is what at high level, this is the dashboard that it shows. Summary, the profile view is there, right? So this is where you can track it. So yeah, that's how the demo it is. So this matters because whenever you don't know what reports what happened for few years back, right, this can be very handy. Thank you.